Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Hey, buddy. Oh, you're so sweet. Hi. Where are you going? Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, look at you. Okay, I gotta put this stuff down. Ow, ow, thin shirt, claws go through. Ow, ow. What's up, buddy? Look at this guy. Ow, thin shirt, claws go through. Ow. Alright, where are the rest of you guys? Hey, buddy. Are you chilling in the litter box? Oh, I see. Okay. Alright. I'm sorry. Okay. You can. There you go. Okay. Look at this guy. This guy. This guy's going back to his hotel room. Enjoy that. Oh, look at that guy. Beautiful cat. Don't worry, baby, I'm not a threat. Hi. Yes? Yes? You gonna come up here? Wow. It's a nice cat. I always wanted a cat like that. Saw a video where they shaved all the back and just left his face. Oh, that was kind of funny. Nice cat though. Hey, buddy. Hi. Don't worry, someone will save you. And you can be happy again, okay? Hey, sweetie. Hi. Aww. Aww. Ow. Okay. Oh. Did I drop food there and you're just like looking off me? Cause hey, I didn't see you. I got a bad mood. Ow! Claws, dude. Claws go through the shirt. Shirt's thin. Look at this guy. This is the guy that wants me to take him home. This guy right there. Look at him. Oh, careful. Yeah, and this guy's trying to go home today. I'm gonna go bring my cat and leave him here and take you home, okay? Just kidding. Hey, chill. Chill, bro. None of that. Nothing salty. This guy has a nice pattern on him. Yeah. Yes. Oh, you are hostile right now. That's why you're chilling over there, huh? You're so cute, though. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you. Okay, so this guy, I don't know if you can see him, but this guy is. I leaned over to take a video, and this guy's trying to crawl on me. Hey, buddy. Hi. This guy's gonna be like all over in the video. He's like, love me, give me attention. Yeah, somebody needs to come pick this guy up like right now. This guy right here. So cute, playful. This is the one here. Look at him, so cute. Look at this guy.